Exposing the power of randomness in finance. It's not luck, it's smart modeling. Monte Carlo Simulation shows you the future, one random roll at a time. Monte Carlo Simulation is your risk analysis power tool. Instead of guessing what might happen, you use random sampling to predict a range of outcomes, perfect for uncertain scenarios in finance, engineering, and beyond. Let's say you want to retire with a cool million. Monte Carlo lets you simulate thousands of possible market paths, showing you just how likely you are to hit your goal. It's not about fortune telling, it's about stacking the odds in your favor. But it's not just for retirement. Monte Carlo is used for pricing complex options, assessing project risk, and stress testing market models. The messier and more uncertain the system, the more valuable the simulation becomes. Want to try it yourself? You can build simple Monte Carlo models in Excel or Python, no advanced coding needed. It's one of the best ways to boost your confidence in decision-making. Don't leave your future to chance. Learn the maths behind smarter strategy. Subscribe for more mind-expanding finance tools and insights.